Today we are going to see about what is information classification. Organization use information classification to help users understand the security requirement around handling different types of data. Data classification policies describe the security level of information used in an organization and the process for assigning information to particular classification levels. The different security categories or classification used by a organization determine the appropriate storage, handling and access requirement for classified information. Security classification are based upon both sensitivity of information and the criticality of the information to the enterprise. Classification scheme vary but all physically try to group information into high, medium or low sensitive levels and different between public and private information. For example, the military uses the familiar top secret, confidential and unclassified. These four type of things they will use to safeguard government data. A business on the other hand might use friendlier term to accomplish the same goal such as highly sensitive and internal and public. They use these terms to describe how they will handle sensitive proprietary and customer data. Organizations with sensitive personal information should consider not only the impact of their organization if they lose control of the data but also the impact on their customers. For a reason, they should pay particular attention to safeguard personal identification information, otherwise known as PII. Financial information including credit card and bank account numbers and health information, especially records that are governed by HIPAA privacy and security standards. Data classification is extremely important because it's used as a basic for other data security decisions. For example, a company might require the use of strong encryption to protect sensitive and highly sensitive information both at rest and in motion. This is an example of a data handling requirement. When an organization classifies information, it should also include labeling requirements that apply consistent marketing to sensitive information. Using standard labeling practices, ensure that users are able to consistently recognize sensitive information and handle it appropriately. Finally, every organization should adopt secure disposal procedures for sensitive data. This should include secure wiping techniques used to erase hard drives, flash drives, and other storage media before they are thrown away or recycled or otherwise discarded, as well as shredding. Another document destruction technique used for paper records. Information classification is often used to help guide decision about computing both non-permission and in cloud. Organization may decide to prohibit the use of cloud resources for information as certain classification level or require the use of specialized security controls such as disk volume encryption for systems that process highly classified information. Information classification is a difficult undertaking that often requires behind the laboratory's inventory of sensitive information, but it pays off the given employees a constant way to identify, label, handle and disposal of sensitive information. So today we completed this information classification. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe our channel without forget. Thanks for watching.